Hi guys, I had a question here about French Azerty keyboards. We have, I think, around 13 tiling window managers, and there are like 100 plus keyboard layouts. It is up to you to tell if you press super, and in our case it's 1 or ampersand, right? If it's going to move anything like a window or a desktop or whatever they call it, a workspace, somewhere. So in tiling window managers, you have to do your job. It's up to you. The bulk of the world is working with QWERTY. So they just do super 1, super 2, super 3, and they change desktop. The Belgian guys need to use ampersand, accent, qt, etc., right? But the French guys, and that's the question of a French guy, it says I can't switch, and this was the case of Hyperlink, but doesn't matter, right? It does not matter. It's just a key binding, and you need to match your keys with the code, any code, i3, awesome, xmonad, you name it, right? And this code can be found here, github.com, ArcoLinux, the ArcoLinux BSPWM. Right, that's where in the code of BSPWM, in the sexy hotkey daemon file there, that's where line 588 is. And this is only for the French Azerty, right? So find out, this is our key. So the Azerty guys, you see it up here, the QWERTY guys, and Azerty guys. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on an Azerty keyboard, which is not the same as a Belgian keyboard, right? There will be little differences. And if you see, if you want to look, here's section, here is minus, exclamation mark, underscore, right? So it all needs to be 100% correct. And now we have a video, because I was looking for, we have the knowledge, didn't find immediately the video. So here it is. That's what you need. That's what you need to figure out, because this is just 3 keyboards of the 100 keyboards out there. That's what you need to change. Figure it out with that. And there is this advice that you can do, which is called XF. If I press a button now, press A, you'll find information here. But if I move my mouse, it will show you as well, right? Super Q, get up there, scroll up there, and look for the A somewhere. So the best thing is to do is XF, and let's take ampersand and Control C immediately. Oh, that was not good. Gone super Q better. And then you go up and see what did I press, and you see a lot of information. Where did we start again? We can't see it anymore. Clean is very interesting. It gives you a line, right? It gives you a line because there's a lot of code in there. And then you say this touch and then super Q, and there we go. So this line here, bytes, you get information of what it is, and it's called ampersand, right? And this is how you figure out, oh, that's my key name on your keyboard, and change it with that. That's my 1 in QWERTY. Okay, so there you go. This is the information. Sometimes you have to find for it, look for it. Ah, yeah, maybe another tip. You can find work on the work of somebody else, like GitHub or GitLab, and then type French keyboard, and maybe you're working on i3, and then maybe config, right? And maybe you'll find the work that the work has been done by somebody else. Maybe you'll find it somewhere in here. I don't know, right? Just search a little bit, and maybe you just can copy paste the line and say, yes, got it. Don't have to figure it out, but it is possible to change it with XF and then copy paste whatever you find, the key that's behind it that you're pressing. All right, cheers.